Today, two Photoshop artists go head to head and use the same stock images, and we will make an artwork from this. Today I'm joined with my friend Satiro Design. He's a Photoshop artist and YouTuber from Indonesia. And quick disclaimer, this is not a competition, this is just a video on how artists use the same stock image and make an artwork. This is a cool concept inspired by Penny Production. So the rules are, we have to use all 12 stocks. 6 were given by Satiro and 6 was mine. And yeah, recast. We have to make a picture on 1080 into 1350, that is 4:5 ratio. We cannot add extra images and we can use our custom brushes. Satiro took like 2 hours and 30 minutes and I got it in 1 hour 20 minutes. So let's get started. is different. So as you can see, we both had same kind of similar effect, or should I say composite. I mean, we have decided that we will do a sci-fi effect, but this was amazing. As you can see, mine is kind of glowy. I went for the northern effect, and Satiro got amazing crispy vibrant color. This guy did a good job with the composite. Really like his refined edge and his lighting. Mine is okay-ish. Not that great, but lights. Overall, I love this guy's composite. It is something I would not do on my composite. I tend to go for a little bit natural tone. Anyways, that was a good collaboration. His channel link will be in the description, and I will see you on my next video. For now, peace.